In this video, I am featuring one of the greatest jerk chicken man in Jamaica. His name is Foster. Foster is located in Spanish Town, St. Catherine at the corner of Burke Road and Port Edison Road. Foster, I want a leg. Yeah. No, I want a leg and breast, man. A two-piece one. Okay. I make sure my thing, you don't know my thing different. Yeah, so chicken enough. Watch what I go on now. My one is right? What?
Second night is jerk chicken up.
I'm going to mention that. I'm never going up to that about whatever.
I don't know if you realize, but you can see the chicken quality, how succulent it is.
Yeah, so it, moist.
Yeah.
Dry out, you know? Yeah. Moist. In Jamaica, there are hundreds of jerk chicken vendors across the island, but Foster is a cutting edge amongst the rest.
Alright, so what do you want? Pepper, ketchup?
Yeah, put pepper and ketchup on me.
How about that?
Yeah, that's good.
Good?
Yeah, that's good. You want bread to here?
Alright, you want the bread on it or you want it separate?
Yeah, put the bread on. As you can see clearly, Foster is well organized and properly put together, and this is a part of what make Foster a cutting edge amongst the rest. Foster is well known for consistency with its jerk chicken flavor, which is very important. Over the years, Foster maintained the same great flavor. People will drive from any part of the island just to get a piece of Foster jerk chicken. Alright, I Peter I hold the video now. I don't know what the Foster do. How much money I get? You want to see? So look here, Foster. Foster this. Foster a world greatest jerk chicken man. Me, Lagabenz said that. No doubt. You get that right?
Yeah, I get that.
Alright, so it's a marinated chicken. Chicken very well seasoned and marinated, ready for it up on the grill. As you can see, chicken is well prepared and properly seasoned. Put to marinate days before jerk for great jerk chicken flavor. On the day of jerking chicken, Foster will light the charcoal in a metal container, which he will leave to burn to catch the right temperature. Then he will place it in the jerk jam to start the jerking process. The fire will associate itself with the chicken to bring it to a cook. When the chicken is completely cooked, it have a golden brown look. Many people try the jerk chicken business, didn't even last a year. When we asked Foster how long you been doing the jerk chicken business, this is what he said.
About 21 years.
Foster been jerking chicken at the same location for over 21 years, which is a very long time compared to other jerk chicken vendors around the island. Foster is located at the Burke Road and the Port Edison Road intersection in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, at the corner of the St. Jacob's Shopping Center next door to the Spanish Town Police Station. Where's the back road now?
Yes, a back road style.
People don't know nothing about no back road, man.
You don't know back road like that, I used to grow all day.
No. No. When me that real back on there, I go. No. You have to go, damn it, New Kingston or Olava, no back on there. This jerk chicken spot attracts even my little furry friends, the dogs. They will sit patiently, waiting to get bones and what left. So rough. So faster, why you have two pan? Yeah.
One of the pan is the finishing pan, where the other one is the roast.
Okay. So one of the pan of the ready chicken and one of the roast. So one just keep the chicken warm. Pete, move from your son, Pete. I want them, man. Look at my head, but that's why I don't do the wrong doings I couldn't, you know.
You know, they say, I walk a look for chicken because of applause.
So where do them now, faster? Where do they set them? They don't want them. The video crazy, yeah. Yeah, real great at jerk, man. I want to. Chillax. Thank you guys for watching. If you think this video was educational or interesting, please leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment, press the notification bell to see more videos like this. If you want to make jerk chicken like the one in this video, press the link in this video or the link below. Until then, see you guys in my next video. I'm out.